Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add brand slider to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, let me tell you that we are going to get help from elfsite.com. And once you search that, you will end up over here. Enter your email, it's free, so there's no worry about it. Once you log into your account, click on widget. It will take you right over here and search for logo. The first thing you will see logo showcase, click on that. And here you can see that we have so many tabs of logo showcase over here. I'm going with this one for this tutorial. You can go either one of them. Click on continue with template. You can add your own logo over here. So I'm going to do that real quick. And make sure your logo has PNG file because it has no background. After that, you can open that. Next thing you would see that it has been created, and you can even add the header if you want. You can add call to action button also. It's all on you, but I'm going with this one. After that, just click on add to website for free. Once you click on that, you might end up over here. What do you need to do? You need to close that window, and after that, you will end up over here. This is where you can see that you have created your first widget. Click on install, copy code from over here. After that, just go back to your Shopify store, click on these three dots and click on edit code. It will open up something like this. And here on the left side, you can see that we are going in theme.liquid. Once you are here, you need to find footer group over here, and I'm going to paste that code over here. If I save this, go back to my store, you can see that I don't have any brand slider over here. But if I refresh this page, you can see that I got the brand slider over here, as you can see. So obviously it's a free version, that's why they are advertising itself. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to add brand slider to your Shopify store. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.